Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to see who unfriended you on Facebook. The first thing you want to do for this one, if you're using an iOS device like mine, or if you're using Android devices, the practice is basically the same. So go to settings right here first. I want you to make sure that you have the latest version of your device. So on iOS, you want to go to General and go for Software Update. The moment I'm recording this video, the latest version available would be 18.5. Alright? So as you can see right here, I have the latest version, so I'm good to go. Next up, open up your Facebook account, of course. As you can see right here, I currently have my Facebook right there. So there are only a few ways to check who unfriended you on Facebook. First one is making sure you go to your friends list. So you just go to your profile right there and go to your friends list, and who should be there before are not there anymore are the ones who unfriended you. That's one tip for you guys. Or you can just manually search it up. For example, let's look for people here. Let's look for Jan Doe. For example, right there. So this Jan Doe right here is going to be not following me anymore. Supposedly, he or she was following before, and right now it's not following anymore. So that's one trigger point. That means that Jan Doe has unfriended me on Facebook. And basically, that's it, how you do it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.